Alright guys, we're back. So, little battle scar from, what the hell was that? Snap ring. Man, that snap ring on that hub. So I haven't dropped the bike yet. Wanted to, check that out. Now I still got a little bit of play. Guys, in the back and forth, the up and down is not the wheel bearings. That's the new bearings in there. What this is now is the A-arm bushings and sleeves. Those sleeves, those metal rods that run through here, it's not just the bushings you change, it's the rods too, and they're different sizes. I just had enough to do the top because tops are the smaller ones and my whole bag is full of smaller ones. So now it's just, see if I can show it to you. See, that's in the hub itself. So it's where it's making its connection here and then right here. I'm gonna order the whole kit to do the whole bike, the new rods and the bushings, upper, lower, inner and outer, and give it hell. But guys, that is a lot better than it was. The last thing you want to do is try to come down the trail looking fairly cool on your shit, and then it end up wobbling. You know, the guy behind you is like, man, what a huge piece of shit. So that's what I'm trying to avoid, is going out to the park, you know, and looking like an idiot, and also having to try to figure out a way to get this thing back. So, well guys, that's it. Gonna go ahead and drop the bike. My damn jack set up there, but yeah, it's higher. So I'll order some parts, move on to the front. Hopefully we're gonna go ride next weekend, and we'll get to try this rascal out. So until then, something else crossing my mind, I'll make a video, but if not, see you then. Y'all stay tuned.